The insulation properties, Panel Plus, the continuous insulation, that's what separates us from other methods. That's what our founder had in mind when he designed this product line. The EPS foam inherently, I mean, it's made out of foam, it's insulation, it's embedded in its DNA. So metal, composite, vinyl systems, they'll fail in extreme climate conditions. They have to seek out foam insulation values through other means to add on to their wall assemblies. Our panels come in 1 inch up to 4 inch thicknesses, depending on your R value needs. And that is the R value just within the wall assembly. So additional insulation can be added to the interior in between the studs or wherever. So the complete R value with an all said and done wall could be greater than R20. The R20 value comes from our wall assembly alone.